think where RMU kind of is set apart is they're innovative. They're always trying to look at what's the most current evidence-based practice guidelines.
I'm so impressed with the format, just even the organizational format. I was really worried about online learning. I've never done it. And that was one of my main primary concerns starting is how am I going to do this and work full-time, be a mom full-time, and do school full-time. They make it very doable.
Even though I'm in my second semester, there's been so many things to allow us to get hands-on experience. We're already kind of practicing physical exam techniques on each other. We actually started seeing mock patients. And then even in anatomy lab with our cadaver lab here, we're able to spend the morning going through the lecture material and then hit the lab in the afternoon.
When problems arise, do you try to think in innovative and novel ways? Do you look at high standards and say, I'm going to rise up and meet them? If that describes you, I think you've found a home at Rocky Mountain University of Health Professions.
Right when I got there for the interview, it was apparent that the faculty really cared about the students. They knew their students by name, they knew kind of what was needed to help them succeed, so they have an open door policy. If I have any questions, concerns, or just need someone to talk to because PA school's hard, they're there to talk with me.
This course has really helped me see the growth in me. It is a fantastic program.
People who come to our program aren't just going to learn something, they're going to become something.